Hello everyone. Today we are going to do a quick tutorial showing you how to log in to the member login on the Southeast Volusia Chamber of Commerce website. So the first thing you're going to do is open up your internet browser and go to the Southeast Volusia Chamber of Commerce website, which is sevchamber.com. Once you get to the home page that looks just like the screen in front of you, you're going to see at the top there are little tabs that say Member Directory, Join Now, Member Login, Contact, as well as the phone number. This is the tab we're going to be talking about today. This is Member Login. So you're going to click on the Member Login and it's going to redirect you to a login page where you will simply put in your username as well as your password. Okay, and then you'll click Sign In. This is going to take you to the Southeast Volusia Chamber of Commerce, but this is your own personal page. This is going to allow you to update your personal information or the company information. This is going to allow you to post jobs. It allows you to pay your invoices. If you look on the sides, you'll see that the upcoming events, this will keep you up to date with everything that is happening at the chamber and so much more. So that's all it takes to log in to your member account is just to go to the website, find member login, and simply log in with your information. If you get confused as to what one you logged into, right here they have a great area that tells you who is logged in and what company you're logged in at. So you always know that you're on your page. That's all. Thanks again for joining us, and we have more tutorials coming soon.